What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about how to earn money from YouTube. So, saan din ako pag-earn ng money sa YouTube, no? So, abi pa lang ko sada. So the first step is mag-start. You need to start vlogging, as in today, as in right now, as in this hour. So it doesn't matter now if you don't have any gadgets or mga equipments para vlogging. The important thing is that you have a phone. So right now I'm using my Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. Shout out to Samsung. Yeah, and another thing that you need is stable internet connection. So, importante dyan ka ng internet connection, no? So, yes, ano lang laman lang. So, yeah, once no court lagi ko nun. Like that. So, yeah, wala ko yung story, guys. So, yes, ang motto, the important thing is that you have your phone and internet. That's the most important thing, and then you can start vlogging na. So, yes, and if na may katong phone or internet, so yes, you need to create a YouTube account. So, it's very easy, guys, to make a YouTube account. So just need to go to YouTube and then go to your channel, and then that's it. And once you created your YouTube account, then you can start uploading videos. It can be anything, guys. So the important thing is that you have content sa imong YouTube, no? So yeah. So in my case, what I love to do is cooking. So that's cooking and eating at the same time. So that's why mo na ang ako content sa akong YouTube, but not all of it are cooking and eating at the same time. So yeah, just like this, mga how-tos, mga travel. So anything under the sun that you can think about, you can make that as your content in YouTube. And what else? So yeah, you need audience, and no kailangan sa kayo mag-make ka YouTube channel and then wala kay audience. So yeah, you need to let people know that you are vlogging or you are making YouTube account, or you're making content sa imong YouTube. So yeah, you can let people know sa imong Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or mga unsa pa ng mga social media. Okay, so yeah, muna akong ibuhat sa akong mga friends sa Facebook, Instagram. Sorry na lang, guys, nga sige kung sendin nyo og mga link to watch, like, subscribe, comment, share. Nabuhi rin dyan ko, guys. So ano siya, guys, that's why I'm doing that. And yeah, so mao na to. So nakamake na tao sa bulon, nakamake na tao atong YouTube account, natay cellphone, natay internet. So next thing is upload na ta sa ang YouTube, no? So on today, how to earn money from YouTube. So yeah, the important thing is na kay 1,000 subscriber, and that's 4,000 watch hours. So that's 4,000 hours, guys, ang watch time. Meaning karang mga viewers mo ba ni tanaw og total of 4,000 hours in 1 year. So yeah, so in 12 months, or that's equivalent to 1 year, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and at the same time 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 hours watch time in total. Yes, ano mo, guys? Ako kasabot-sabot basta excuse, akong main point is in 1 year time, you need to earn 1,000 subscribers. Sige, balik-balik no. So, mo na siya guys, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. So, that's the time nga i-review ni YouTube imuhang mga videos and kailangan i-monetize mo daan so para ma-review nila no. And then that's it. And once na-review na ni YouTube imuhang mga videos, then you can start earning or they can start giving you a salary. I don't know how much ba ang salary because right now I'm good news you guys, 95 pa ko no, 95 subscribers out of 1,000, pero yeah, layo pa kaya ang 1 year. So yes, laban lang ito. And for watch time, I'm really encouraging you guys to please support my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, tell your friends about me. Yung kamot po tadaring napitan no. Dapat lang laban lang dyan. So yeah, nakasabot ra mo guys sa akong mga buot yung sabot. So yes, that's it. And mo to yung mga important thing guys. Mahalag mga ay yung gamit kay cellphone lang. Kung sa'yo naakaroon mo ay nagamita. Cause yeah, you'll never know. You'll never know. Basta island jud mo og stop og upload videos and then karang mga naam dyan ay mga haters na si mga karang ganahan dyan sa imong mga YouTube mo, so, sa imong mga content. So karang mga kuan sa karang mga dili ganahan sa atong mga videos, makatabang mo sana sila. They can help they can help promote our channel because maingat sila nga ana I don't we don't really care about that them. So, yeah, basta laban lang dito sa atong mga YouTube na. So yeah, nanikamot sa day kung mag-English sa akong YouTube guys. Speaking English as much as possible because I have overseas viewers, TFC subscribers. Yeah, my family is in US of A, and yeah, they can't understand Bisaya or Tagalog. So yeah, I'm trying my best to, speak in English, even though most of the time I have nosebleed, So yeah, mo na siya guys, mga reason nga nung mag-English kung nilipita na mo na siya. And then karon sige gabang kog make og videos and then may tama sige mo watch for me ani mga videos sa ang uban kay mga wala mga lami sa tanawa lang malay wala. So yes, that's it guys for today. I hope na may idea or like nakuan mo na inspire mo gamay nga mag-vlog so mo gamay diha no guys. And ako lang masulti no, ang biggest challenge namin vlogging is ang editing kay so I'm working with what I have right now, so mga resources na ko no kay medyo alanganin siya kay nahimo around sa guys edit ako sa cellphone sa laptop, pero ang laptop is medyo baon na siya, so yeah, so laban lang dito sa mga resources available na to. And then another challenge guys is ang pag-vlog in public. That's my challenge good right now because ma-afford ko if mag-vlog ko sa public because people are looking at you and thinking that you're crazy or whatever. I don't care because YouTube is like working guys. So you're working mo na kamo ta para sa atong future. Charot. So yeah, and all of this guys. So yes, and guys, I'll I'll go ahead and leave you out there. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you will like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Tell your friends about my video. And thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Suggest sa comment box if sa kung matusunod kaya nawagtangan akong ideas, guys. And please support my channel. That's it. And see you guys on my next video. And thank you for watching. Goodbye. I know your song.